Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 60-second story on Instagram. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now if I open up few articles, you can see here that Instagram rolled out the ability to post up to 60 seconds around September of 2022. So it's been around for quite some time. Let's open up Instagram and I'll show you how it works. Let's tap your story at the top left and just choose a video here. You can see this one is 1 minute and 27 seconds long. So it's over 60 seconds long. So I can tap on it and you'll see it does something interesting. So at the very bottom, I can take my finger and swipe it over. You'll see this bar only captures 60 seconds of this 1 minute and 27 seconds video. So you'll see if I expand this all the way out, it stops at 1 minute. So it will cut off everything that is longer than a minute. However, you can see within this minute, I can choose wherever I want and hit done. And basically it will capture all of those in one story. If you don't see this, the first option is to head into your App Store or Google Play Store and just going to type in Instagram here. And if it says update right next to the app, so that you get the latest version including this feature. Now if it still doesn't work, the last thing we're going to do is hop into your settings here, tap on general and then iPhone storage. Once we're in here, let's find the Instagram app. There it is. Just offload this app and we'll go through the process of reinstalling it. This will help again fix any kind of bugs or glitches in the app, and this should fix your problem. After you go through this process, you can open it back up and it should work normally. You should be able to post those longer Instagram stories. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.